Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to contact Google Support Live Chat. To contact Google Support Live Chat, you need to go through Google's online forum like Google Help. You cannot directly contact with customer support of Google. So to use Google Help, go to any web browser available on your mobile phone. I am using Google Chrome. Make sure that your Google account is logged in. Then type in support.google.com at search bar. Then tap on the arrow icon. With that, here you'll be taken to Google Help's website. Now here you can choose from various of Google products in which you are finding a need of help and support. If you are not able to go through these products, then you can tap on describe your issue at top and look for the issue that you are facing. After that, tap on the search icon. Then here you can see related support for the issue that you are facing. You can see the search results for the issue that you are facing. With that, you'll be able to contact Google Support. This is how we can contact Google Support Live Chat. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.